Where I grew up in Kingston, there were many options to have a change in life, right? There were certain things that worked, such as the music. A lot of colleagues, they went as artists, singers. A few of them did sports. Some did track and field.
Safa Paul ist der schnellste aus den Blöcken. Jetzt kommt er und jetzt ist Usain Bolt nicht zu halten. Nein!
The vehicle out of poverty weren't that many. For me, I wasn't good at any of the above. What was left? Education. So I went that route. I was gifted as a math student, and as a result, I started to tutor my classmates maths. I wanted to start my first business as a math tutor. As a result, I went to my alma mater, my primary school, and I rented a classroom from the principal. No, I created flyers and I walk around to the community and I issued those flyers to all the household. And when I went back to the community and said, I want to tutor you guys maths, they were excited because they were like, whoa, do it. We welcome it. And as a result, they all signed up. No, on the first day, my classroom was full with people of the community, all age groups. And when I looked, I was one of the youngest person in the classroom. I felt good. At the end of the first semester, I closed down that business for one reason. I didn't make any money. No one in the classroom paid me, not one. All right. And I could not continue to pay the rent because it was coming out of my pocket. It is what it is. Anyway, I closed down that business as a result and I moved on. Just so you know, the name of that business was Leighnibor Academy. Yeah. 1996. That's when Leighnibor Academy started.
Tell me a little bit more about Leighnibor Academy and, educate our viewers here on, what it really is and how it's supposed to work. And, here's a little picture.
Leighnibor. You may be wondering what it means. Now, Leighnibor essentially is my name, right? It came from Leighton Robinson. I got the idea from a group, a rap group, who came to Jamaica in 1991 for a concert. Crisscross. What I notice about them is the way they dress and the way they wrote their name. They dress with their clothes back way, and they also wrote their name back way, right? I was like, I like that. What can I do with that idea? So I look at my name, Leighton Robinson. So I remove the Lay and the Robin, flip it back way to get Nibor. And that's how Leighnibor came about. What is Leighnibor Academy's why? Our why is that we want to help others to discover who they are and to find the greatness in themselves and to know that anything is possible. The academics is not the most important lesson. Personal development, understanding who you are and what you want, right? As a result, I shifted from academics and now focusing on personal development, leadership, mentorship, coaching.